Good day everyone, I'm Hui. In this video, I'll be showing you this Singapore 1987 third ship series $1 banknotes. Before we take a closer look at the notes, let's take a look at what the book can tell us about it. So for this series, we call it the third ship series because banknotes issued during this time are all with picture of ship. If you can see the other denomination, they all come with a ship. And this is issued around 1987 to 1999. The size for these $1 banknotes is 125 mm times 63 mm. The printer is TDLR, which stands for Thomas Delay Rule. There are two versions of these $1 banknotes which are identified by the signature. One is signed by Dr. Goh Keng Swee. Sorry if I pronounce the name wrongly. Which the first prefix start with A1 until D14, and there are two replacement notes for this one is Z1 and Z2. The second type is signed by Dr. Tsu Tau, D14 until D20, and there is two replacement notes for this also, Z1 and Z2. Now, I'm going to leave the book like this in case any of you want to check the price. However, please take note that the price here is just a guidance. It does not reflect the current market price. Price may go up and down depending on the market situation. And please take note that this is in ringgit, not in Singapore dollar, in case any of you who are watching it is a Singaporean. Now, if you need more time, you just need to pause the video. Now, I only have this version. However, luckily the book got show us the other signature, how they look like. So I'm going to turn this to the part that shows us the signature. So for $1, there are two types. One is this signature Goh Keng Swee with a red seal one. This is how the signature on the note should look like. And the second type is Rachel Tsu Tau. It looks like this. I would say besides a signature, both overall design will still look the same. So if you just want to look at the design without looking at signature, I think just this one piece will be enough. So this is how the notes look like at the front. Do forgive me if the background is a bit different than usual because I just recently moved to a new place. Now there's is it a tiger or a lion? I think it should be a lion. Lion watermark here. And there should be the printer name here. Thomas Delay Rule and Company Limited. And here have it's a Sentosa Satellite Earth Station. Quite nice. Alright guys, hold on, I'm going to pause the video for a while. Alright guys, I hope you are able to see the lion watermark. So when you want to check whether the notes is fake or not, make sure it contains this watermark. Alright guys, I'm going to pause the video. Alright guys, if you like what I do, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel, and have a nice day everyone. Goodbye.